Last week my mother's car wouldn't start. Key in ignition, turn, nothing, not a sound. Battery fine, lights working, but starter motor, absolute silence. She called tow truck. Workshop estimate, 280 euros new starter motor plus labor. I told her, wait, give me 5 minutes before calling anyone. I opened hood, took out WD-40 can, sprayed starter motor for 10 seconds. Waited 2 minutes, tried starting. Car started first try, perfect, 0 euros. Problem solved. Today I'm going to show you 15 WD-40 uses in your car that workshops don't want you to know. Because if you knew how to do these things, you wouldn't pay them between 50 and 300 euros each time. And stick around until use number 13, because that one saved me from a 500 euro repair 3 months ago. It's the most powerful of all. Before starting, let me clarify what WD-40 really is. WD means water displacement. The 40 is because it was the 40th formula that worked. They invented it in 1953 to protect missiles from corrosion. It's not oil, it's not permanent lubricant. It's a multi-use product with 5 main functions. Cleans, lubricates temporarily, protects, displaces moisture, and loosens rusted parts. And it costs about 5 euros per can at any hardware store. That 5 euro can literally save you thousands in unnecessary repairs. Let's go with the 15 secret uses. Use number 1. Revive starter motor that doesn't respond. This is what happened to my mother. When starter motor doesn't respond, often it's not broken. It's stuck due to moisture, dirt, or corrosion in electrical contacts. How to do it? Locate starter motor, normally under engine near transmission. Spray WD-40 generously around electrical connectors. Wait 2 or 3 minutes. Try starting. In 70% of cases, it works. And you save between 180 and 400 euros on new starter motor. Warning, this is temporary. If it works, it means starter motor is beginning to fail. Use it as emergency. Solution while you get estimate to replace it. Use number 2. Clean adhesive and sticker residues. You buy used car. Has horrible stickers from previous owner, or old parking decals. You rip them off and they leave disgusting glue that doesn't come off even with soap. Solution, WD-40. Spray on adhesive. Wait 30 seconds. Rub with cloth. Comes off perfect without scratching paint. Also works for tape residue, vinyl remains, temporary license plate stickers. Workshops charge special cleaning, 40 to 80 euros. You do it with WD-40, 0 euros. Use number 3. Loosen rusted wheel nuts. This happened to me on road. Flat tire. Going to change wheel. Rusted nuts won't move even with all my strength. Without WD-40 would have called tow truck. 120 euros. With WD-40, spray each nut generously. Wait 5 minutes. WD-40 penetrates rust, then loosen normally. Professional trick. Always carry small WD-40 can in trunk along with warning triangle in vest. Can save you. Use number 4. Clean corroded battery terminals. Battery terminals with white-greenish powder is corrosion. That increases electrical resistance. Car starts poorly. Workshop tells you need terminal cleaning, 15 euros. Or worse, battery is bad, you need new one, 140 euros. Do it yourself. Disconnect negative terminal first. Spray WD-40 on both terminals. Brush with soft wire brush. Clean with cloth. Reconnect. 5 minutes, 0 euros, and car starts better. Use number 5. Free stuck door lock winter. Humidity. Door lock doesn't turn smoothly. Forcing it can break key inside. WD-40 to rescue. Inject WD-40 into lock using little tube that comes with can. Move key back and forth several times. Lock works perfect again. Workshops charge between 30 and 60 euros for this. 30 seconds and done. Use number 6. Remove bug stains from windshield and hood. Summer, highway, hundreds of dead bugs stuck on windshield and hood. Won't come off with water or soap. Special bug products cost 8 to 15 euros and work so-so. WD-40 works better. Spray on dry bugs. Wait 1 minute. Clean with microfiber cloth. Come off perfect without scratching. Also works for tree resin, tar stains, road residues. Use number 7. Protect battery from future corrosion. After cleaning terminals with use 4, do this. Spray thin layer of WD-40 over already connected terminals. This creates protective barrier against moisture and corrosion. Do it every 6 months. Terminals stay clean. Battery lasts longer. Mechanics know this but don't tell you. They prefer you come back every year for terminal cleaning. Use number 8. Free windshield wipers that squeak. Windshield wipers making horrible noise when working. That squeak that drives you crazy. Often not that they're worn, it's that arm is stiff or dirty. Solution: spray WD-40 on wiper arm articulation point. Move arm up and down several times. Clean excess with cloth. Often squeak disappears. And you save unnecessary blade change, 20 to 40 euros. Use number 9. Clean dashboard and interior plastics. Dashboard with sticky dust that won't come off with dry or wet cloth. WD-40 in small amount on microfiber cloth. Don't spray directly. Pass cloth over plastics. Cleans perfect and leaves protective layer that repels dust longer. Warning: don't use on steering wheel or pedals. Would be slippery and dangerous. Use number 10. Loosen rusted exhaust bolts. Exhaust makes noise. You need to change or repair it. But bolts are so rusted they won't move. You can break them trying. Professional solution: 3 days before touching exhaust, spray WD-40 on all bolts twice daily. Let penetrate. Day you're going to work, bolts come out much easier without breaking anything. Workshops know this. That's why they never break bolts. But if you break it doing it at home, they charge new bolt plus extraction. Use number 11. Remove surface rust from chrome bumper. Moldings. Metal details with surface rust. WD-40 on cloth. Rub rusted area with circular movements. Surface rust comes off. For deeper rust, spray WD-40 and let act 10 minutes. Then rub with fine steel wool number 000. Careful not to scratch. Workshops charge chrome polishing, 60 to 120 euros depending how much there is. 10 minutes and done. Use number 12. Unstick gas cap lock. Gas cap won't open with key, or mechanism is stuck. Spray WD-40 and lock. Wait 2 minutes. Try again. If internal mechanism stuck, spray around cap edges. Sometimes there's emergency button inside trunk to open it. Check manual. Workshops solve this in 5 minutes and charge 40 euros minimum labor. Use number 13. Revive alternator starting to fail and we reach the most powerful. The one that saved me 500 euros. My car started having electrical problems. Dim lights, battery discharging. I measured voltage. 11.8 volts with engine running, should be 14.2. Alternator failing. New replacement, 480 euros at official workshop. Before spending it, I did this. Located alternator. Sprayed WD-40 generously on back where bearings and pulley are. Let act overnight. Next day I started. Alternator worked perfect. Voltage, 14.3. Problem solved. 3 months later, still working perfect. What happened? Alternator wasn't broken. Bearings were dirty and rotor stuck from lack of lubrication. WD-40 cleaned and lubricated them. This is temporary. Eventually we'll need replacement, but bought me time to save and find good price. Use number 14. Clean oil residues from engine with old oil stains, grease, accumulated dirt. Spray WD-40 on dirty areas. Wait 5 minutes. Clean with cloth or soft brush. Removes grease and oil without damaging plastics, rubbers, or paint. Workshops charge engine cleaning, 40 to 80 euros. You do it in 20 minutes. Warning: don't spray near belts or pulleys. And don't pressure wash engine after. Only manual cleaning with cloth. Use number 15. Protect tools from rust. Okay, this isn't directly the car, but it's for tools you use on car. Wrenches, screwdrivers, pliers stored in trunk or garage. They rust with humidity. After using tools, spray light layer of WD-40. Clean excess. Store. Tools stay rust-free for years and always work when you need them. Extra bonus, workshops also do this with their tools. It's the secret of why theirs last decades. Now, very important, 3 things you should never do with WD-40. Error number 1. Don't use WD-40 as permanent lubricant for bicycle or motorcycle chains. It's not oil, evaporates quickly. Use chain-specific lubricant. Error number 2. Don't spray WD-40 on disc brakes. You'll contaminate pads, brakes will stop braking. Mortal danger. Error number 3. Don't use WD-40 on high security or electronic locks. Can damage delicate internal components. Only simple mechanical locks. So, recapping the 15 uses. 1. Revive starter motor. 2. Clean adhesives. 3. Loosen rusted nuts. 4. Clean battery terminals. 5. Free locks. 6. Remove bugs. 7. Protect battery. 8. Squeaky wipers. 9. Clean plastics. 10. Loosen exhaust bolts. 11. Remove chrome rust. 12. Stuck gas cap. 13. Revive alternator. 14. Clean engine. 15. Protect tools. One €5 can easily save you 1,500 to 2,000 euros in repairs during a year. My recommendation: buy 2 cans. One large for garage, one small to always carry in trunk with basic tools, and use it without fear. It's difficult to do damage with WD-40 if you follow the 3 rules of what not to do. 3 final tips. Tip 1. The extension tube is your best friend. Use it to reach tight places with precision. Tip 2. Always clean excess after using. Don't leave puddles of WD-40, attracts dirt. Tip 3. Ventilate well if using WD-40 inside car. Smell is strong and can give headache. And leave me in comments. Did you know these uses? Have you used WD-40 for something I didn't mention? Share your tricks. Hit like if this is going to save you money. Share with someone who's always spending at workshop on nonsense. And subscribe. One €5 can. 15 solutions. Thousands of euros saved. See you.